DVR hard drive removal and installation. Identify the hard drive style. There are two types of hard drives, REI and Fortress. Using the key. Use the same key for both REI and Fortress systems to lock or unlock the DVR from the carriage and remove the hard drive. Turn the key in the direction indicated by the arrow on the hard drive. Avoid over-twisting the key. Inserting and locking the hard drive. Ensure that the hard drive is fully inserted and locked for proper operation. Allow time for the green record light to turn on, which confirms that recording has started. Note that the Fortress system usually takes longer to illuminate compared to the REI system. If the recording doesn't start, you may need to reinsert and relock the hard drive. This process might take multiple attempts. Powering the DVR. Ensure the bus is running or the key switch is turned to the ACC position for the DVR to start correctly. Need help? If you have any questions or require assistance, please contact your assigned field coordinator or reach out to the transportation department. Pulling and replacing Fortress system hard drives. Removing the Fortress DVR. Begin by loosening the two silver screws located on the front of the device. Use your key to unlock the DVR and remove it from the system. Key usage. The key lock is notched to ensure correct key insertion and is labeled to indicate the correct direction for locking and unlocking. Reinstalling the DVR. Insert the DVR back into the carriage and lock it securely using your key. Wait for both the blue power and green record lights to turn solid, indicating that the system is functioning correctly. Once the DVR is locked in place and the lights are illuminated, retighten the screws on the front of the system. Locating the Fortress DVR. Fortress DVR systems can be found in one of the following locations: the emergency equipment area above the windshield, the driver's overhead compartment, mounted to the inside roof of the bus, behind or above the driver's seat. Removing the REI hard drive. For the REI system, simply insert your key into the lock and unlock the hard drive to remove it. Pulling, replacing REI system hard drives. The REI system requires you to insert your key into the lock and unlock the hard drive. Remove the hard drive by pulling the black handle straight out. Insert the replacement hard drive into the system and lock the hard drive back in place. Please wait until you see the blue power light and the green record light illuminate to solid prior to exiting the bus. This is to ensure the system is recording correctly. REI DVR systems can be located either in the emergency equipment area above the windshield, in the driver overhead compartment, or mounted to the inside roof of the bus behind or above the driver's seat. The emergency equipment storage area should have a stand or spring in the left corner of the opening to hold the storage door open for you. The overhead driver compartment does not. Software for viewing hard drives. Please make sure your IT person at your school has added the appropriate software to your computer for viewing hard drives. The following link will take you to the most current version of software. You will need the HD6 series downloaded to your computer and assigned as an administrator to the computer for proper function. Both style hard drives can be viewed through the same software. In the event you need to pull video footage from a bus after the bus has left your campus, please contact your assigned field coordinator or the transportation office for correct parking location of the school bus or communication to have the bus returned to the school in case of an emergency. Please contact your assigned field coordinator or the transportation office in the event you have any questions or concerns with pulling, inserting, or viewing hard drives. Thank you for viewing this presentation.